Mel.
15, don't push to start. You don't want to lose that, Will. 10 seconds. You're committed.
There you go, Mel. Come on, Mel. Jesse, don't make it fun.
Good start. Jesse out front. Mel going to try to run him down in the back straightaway. Made up a little time on the corner.
He's making it a race. Gonna put on a little show for fans.
Mel on the outside, Jesse on the inside. Down the back they go. Down the straightaway.
Look at Jesse.
Four down, Jesse on the inside. Short way around the course. Five down, one more lap. Jesse inside, Mel on the out. Drag the race down the back straightaway. Jesse leads. Elefano.
That was cool.
I have no idea. Yeah, I wasn't even over that. I don't know.
That was a tie. Gotta run him again.
How was that? Is that what you got expelled, baby?
Awesome. Mel, good job, buddy. I think that was a tie.
Somebody need to be online for that one.